Okay, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not an investment advice. So this video is another Candlestick Psychology video based on those kind of concepts which I have explained in my ebook. Get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option, turbo trading concepts, market condition, trade identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame, any kind of financial instrument, and any kind of broker. So I will prepare to do a put now. Yes, I wait that price will go, yes, and now I will going to do a put because I'm sure that price will go down from this level, and that's the reason why I'm doing a put above the opening price of the previous candle. Yes, to be sure that I have a margin of safety for the case that price will do a small bullish candle. Yes, but I was sure that price would go down, yes, because we have here, yes, major downtrend. 200, 150, and the 20. Yes, and we have here a Bollinger squeeze after a breakout. Yes, and that was for me clear that we can expect a breakout now soon too. Yes, and mostly this breakout will most probably going downwards, depending obviously of the candles which will happen now. Yes, because if this candle will be a small weak bullish one, I will most probably, yes, I will do a call on the next candle. You see, that was a margin of safety, yes, which I have explained before, which I have explained also in the 7th edition of the ebook, where I have told you how you have to choose your entry points based on the candlestick pattern, chart pattern, support and resistance, and consolidation area. Yes, I can show you this at the end of the video. So, yes, let me see what's going on here. Yes, you see we have a nice breakout now. Yes, like I have explained and expected before. I have told you this, and because I was expecting this. And here we have a support and resistance level. Let me show you this. This is a support and resistance level. You see the flat Bollinger Band here. Yes. So, and we are here now at the 50 EMA, and price is doing what there? Yes, got a rejection from it. So now it's obviously a little bit tricky. I would like to do a put now, but we got a rejection here. Let me see. If I get a higher entry point, I will enter into a put because yes, I need a higher entry point. Okay, this looks more that I have to do a call. I do a call now because I'm sure that price will not reverse from this level, and that's the reason why I'm entering in a trend continuation. Yes, that is if price tries twice and got rejected twice. Yes, you can almost believe that price will not go through this level, and that's the reason why I entered. And I have shown you this. Yes. Here, this kind of flat Bollinger Band, yes, that is this one of area which I use now to do a call option on an uptrend, yes, on support level. That is exactly this. You see, flat Bollinger Band. I have explained this also in the ebook and in the deep explanation videos, and also in some more. So, and that is an evening star, and this was too fast. I cannot enter anymore in this kind of trade as I would have done this kind of fake breakout trade. Yes, let me show you this, what I have done here. So we have here, first of all, I got here a put option, yes, on this support and resistance level, which I have explained here in the ebook. That is this one here. Yes, let me show you this. Yes, where do we have this? Let me take this. Yes, that was this one here. Yes, support and resistance, doesn't matter if it's horizontal or things or EMAs above. Yes, you do a put, then you should be above. That is what I have done here, yes, above, because I have done a put, yes, above the 20 EMA, because I was doing a put. So then I have done here nothing else than the highest probability trading setups, yes, because this was an engulfing candle. Those two lower shadows were showing me strong buying pressure, yes, and yes, and here that would be really tricky, yes, because I was expecting that this would be an evening star, yes, but at the end it gone down to this level, yes, really fast, and at the end it has done exactly this what I have explained in the ebook here about the expiration time and the purchase time. Yes, if price goes down, yes, in the expiration time it goes up, yes, and vice versa. So, and that is this, yes, and here I have done nothing else than a call option on support in an uptrend, yes, and you see that was it already. So, okay, if you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye-bye.